Okay, we got Daniel here on the floor. The shop is an absolute mess today. We have too many cars in here. We got an SF90 drop off. We have a Spectre, two Spectre drop offs. We have a new Range Rover drop off. All of this happened in the morning, and we had these wheels ready for this client because we knew he was coming. So we were able to change the wheels up real fast over here, one by one. These are obviously RDB Trendsetter wheels right here. Really sick. This is a white on red brand new Spectre, and it's gonna look really great on these wheels, so we're excited for that. We have the black on red Spectre we're tinting right now. We have wheels on order for that, body kit. Stay tuned, a lot of cars coming through. The quick 1 hour turnaround Rolls Royce Spectre makeover. As you can see, the RDB Trendsetter wheels in 24-inch brushed. Looks amazing. One thing to tell you guys is this car is not lowered. Obviously, you guys normally see Spectres that are slammed, and this is not lowered. This is factory suspension height with our wheels. It looks pretty damn good still. Obviously, it would look even crazier lowered, but it drives just like stock. Truly incredible. This car takes 26s pretty easily, so obviously the 24s doesn't look necessarily that big, but much better than stock, obviously. Two cons about this car: it has no lowering button, so you cannot adjust the suspension from your seat, which the older Rolls Royces all had before. So you can't park it, go down to get that good look, or access height. I don't know why it doesn't have access height. All the newer cars usually have that, so that's a big con for us. The second con is the battery is like about 250 miles, so you can't even drive to Vegas without a charge. So that's that. But other than that, interior, body, this is a truly amazing car, and we have more Spectres at the shop to do, and we have body kits coming for 2 Spectres right now, so a lot more in store with Spectres. Every Spectre has a gorgeous interior, but really the really good ones have colors, and this is red with white. This is insane. You never really see this combination of white with red, but there you have it. White dashboard with red all over it. We also have a black on red Spectre at the shop. You guys saw in our previous YouTube episode. We've done one with yellow interior. We're gonna do one with orange interior. So a lot of cool interiors on this car. You got stars in the door, of course, which is truly insane. We even took this door off to check Rolls Royce's work, and the way they do these lights is crazy. How hidden they are, how clean and neat it is. So I mean, you're paying $500,000 for this car, and you're getting true craftsmanship. All right, really cool stuff here. We got a brand new 50 miles White Performante Urus behind me. I'm very excited about this car because we don't get too many white Uruses, believe it or not, and white on the Urus is my favorite. As you know, that's my baby right there. 2019 Urus, 2024 Performante Urus. So this is obviously the upgraded crazy version of my car, except it doesn't have the wide body. But That's what we're gonna fix on it. We're gonna be doing the 1016 wide body on this thing, carbon fiber. It has the exposed carbon hood. We're gonna leave that, but we're gonna do all the flares. We're gonna do some badass new wheels from RDB. We're gonna make this thing really special. It has the red and black interior just like mine. So really cool to see. I haven't been excited about a Urus build for a little bit, but this white one has got me in my feels. So hopefully we build it, and hopefully I don't try to buy it off.
I think you gotta go to chiropractor.
I did. I went.
Yeah.
So it still hurts, man. I got already
Go
8
home.
weeks.
Go home, honey.
If Javier goes home, we're dead.
I think
it's Friday,
yeah,
man.
I need maybe a month vacation, no?
2 months. Paid.
2 months?
How about a lifetime vacation?
That would be great, man. That would be great.
Lifetime? Imagine if you hit the lottery. 200 million, 300 million. Even 3 million is enough.
Even 1 million is
1
fine.
million is enough. Depends how you use it, yeah. What are you doing?
We're gonna do 2 arms, bearing,
Nice.
tire end.
Yep.
Yep.
2 arms, bearing, oven bearing, tie rod end. So this car has a right front damage. So that's what we're doing. We gotta change it. Obviously, after it's all done, at the end we'll do an alignment, make sure everything is good. Alignment readings are correct, and make sure that nothing else is bent. So yeah, we still have a little bit of mechanical to do. We still have a little bit of body to do, and hopefully this thing will be back in one piece very soon.
This thing was a brand new car when it came. Like when he got it.
This was a this is a brand new car.
Brand new, yeah.
Sad to see that.
Owner hasn't enjoyed it yet. In full, he hasn't enjoyed it. So hopefully, when it's all done, he'll enjoy it and have fun with it. But it's a good car. Yeah. We're done. Can we go home? It's Friday. It's Friday. I ain't got a job. I got shit to do. Smokey. All right, you guys. We have this beautiful one of a kind Toyota Cressida. This car is coming out great. You guys can see we're doing a lot of work. Everything's getting prepared piece by piece. We have the doors getting ready. Everything's getting ready. It's getting ready for prep for go to paint, primer, all that stuff. So we're getting there.
I also want to explain and find out conspiracy theories, because we found out Moses has a second phone today, and for years we haven't known, but we discovered that he has a second phone hidden. He won't show us the phone, so please comment below the conspiracy theories about Moses having a second phone.
Travelo? I don't know about, yeah, you look like the Travelo from the Latino version of an actor from Baywatch or something. Went to the beach. Yeah.
Chabelo.
Yeah.
This is Ñoño, you know, the Chavo del Ocho, Ñoño.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Look at this guy, looks like Snow White. Yeah.
You see, looks like same thing through the...
See. Yeah, and this guy's getting shorter every day as the day goes by.
Same with the
Yeah.
Hey, what about my motor blower?
Every time you come to the back,
Yeah, the motor blower.
every time you come to the back, this guy wants something. I don't know, it's never for nothing. It's always something.
Yeah, I need blower motor.
I need
For
blower
my car.
motor.
Yeah, for my car.
Yeah. Yeah. And this guy came all the way from the car when he was working under the car to bring crackers. I don't know.
You like burger? Fries? He's always hungry.
Auto shake.
You like burger, fries? All right, you guys. Javier is on his way to diagnose this car right now. This car came in with a check engine light. It's not too bad, but you can see there's a little bit of a misfire. Check engine light's on. So, has a little bit of miles on it, nothing crazy. But we're gonna figure it out right now, see what we need, order parts from the dealer, and start on the repairs.
See how Javi's doing.
Where's Javi?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Good morning. How are you?
I don't know. It's another day in paradise.
Yeah.
Definitely not paradise.
Like, he's so excited.
Yeah, he doesn't here anymore. He's on his way to retire. He's done. He doesn't want to be here. He's miserable. Are you miserable?
No, it's not.
See? All that matters.
That's not what he says when the camera's on.
I'm grateful. Grateful?
You're grateful?
Yeah.
That's good. You're not. Are you? Look, look.
Yeah, I'm grateful.
He changed his face. That's
Smart. This guy's playing bad cop, good cop.
What if he was a cop and a different career path?
I mean,
You know-
this is bad, but it's not that bad. You know.
If Javier wasn't working here, I would probably think he would probably be some kind of a chef or something. He looks like a chef, you know.
Like those fancy dinners?
Yeah, I could see you working at Castaway or something. You know, making food.
Yeah, I like cook too. Yeah.
All right, enough talking, man. I gotta get out of here.
The top 10 supercars of 2024. Corvette Z06.
It's a man's car.
R8 V10 Performance.
Oh, that's nice. I would love to drive this car.
All right.
No, like own it or drive it.
Own it. We are upgrading.
This is the one for me.
A McLaren Arturo that nobody buys and nobody has.
What's number one though?
Oh, God. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh my god.
Get out.
They don't know shit.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.